Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. My name is Rebecca and today we have a brand new video for y'all to show you what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. We are located in the DFW area. I go to several different stores throughout the week, take lots of different pictures and combine all of those pictures into one video. So let's go shopping and see what's new. We'll start with the apparel and accessories. They had a bunch of different tote bags. These are the extra large shopping style tote bags that they have in. They had two different Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle styles. Also, they had two different Garfield. They have the orange background, says Don't Know, Don't Care, and the 90s vibe that says Garfield. They also had a couple different SpongeBob bags. You have the Square If You Dare and one that looks just like the character. Or you could also get the Smurfs with the heart background. And the last one I found was the Rugrats with all the different characters. Then for the arts and crafts this week, I will say they've been getting in a lot of different springtime flowers at the moment, and they're restocking them almost as fast as they are selling them out, which is pretty quickly, which always surprises me, especially with the price increase. I thought it would be a little bit harder for them to sell, but they are still cheaper than most stores. We've got the Eileen's Tacky Glue restocked. It's been a while since they've carried that. Also, they're ceramics that you can paint. So these do not have a finish on the outside. They are like a matte finish. So you're able to paint them with different paints of your choice or ceramic paints, also acrylics. Then we've got these clothespins for crafting. They come in several different sizes. They also have in a bunch of different chalkboard style stickers. They go from 20 pieces all the way down to like 14 depending on what packet you get. So there's like little rubber duckies. They had some hearts with the ribbons. There's also the teacups and some butterflies. Lots of different fabric rolls. So these are the rolls that are the real soft, almost Chanel style material, geared more towards like baby themes. They have little animals and lots of pastels. In the mint green, there's gray, a light blue, and baby pink. So they had a bunch of those in. So that is the Crafters Square brand. They also had the one with the polka dots there. So those run 18 by 20 and they are 100% polyester. For the baby, toddler, and children's sections, they brought back more of the Cocoa Melon bibs. These are the ones with the pockets in them to catch food that spills and the little snuggies. They had these new bath poofs. They had SpongeBob. You can also get Minnie Mouse with the pink loofah. And then there was Paw Patrol. That's the lavender. And we've got the blue with the red, that is Mickey Mouse. And those were hanging on a plastic strip near the end of the aisle. For the fun finds this week, we have lots of different cards. They had The Office and Star Wars. You could also find, they had Shrek. And then there were the Fantastic Four. Also the Peanuts characters. It's the Apollo and Nickelodeon SpongeBob SquarePants. They also had Garfield and Star Trek. Then I found this family night coaster game set. There's 8 different games and 30 coaster cards, and they have all these different like riddles and games you could play. For the health and beauty, we'll check out what's new as far as like hair care items and hair products. We'll see what's new for the cosmetics and the pharmacy and personal care style items. So far this week, they had a bunch of these elastics in the light brown and dark brown color scheme. They also had some new Sophie brand claw clips, and they had the French side combs in 2 different colors. Those are those extra large combs. You could do like a French twist, and it would help hold in like a bun or the French twist very easily with those combs. We have the Marie Claire Total Face Palette. There's the highlighter, the eyeshadow ×4, and a contour. So you get the whole face in one palette there. You can see all the different colors. I try to show it in different angles so you can see the coloring really well. There's the dual-ended brow pencil. And then we have a bunch of the LA Colors Juicy Cakes. This one's called Hello Sweets. You get the lip liner and the lip gloss. Then we've got this one. It's called I'm Cakey. And that one was a brighter pink. It says Jelly Vibes. And then we've got the Pudding Pie. This one has a little bit more of a mauve finish to it with the light pink for the lip oil. And then this duo set, we have more of a light glitter pink with a darker brown liner. There's also the gloss that's called Smart Cookie. This one has a little bit of glitter in it. This one here is called Honey Cakes, and this one has a little bit of tint of like a brown, almost like a mauve color. You can see the shimmer in the gloss. This is a very bright pink. This one was called Sweet Confection. And then there is Smart Cookie. This one has a brighter pink with the glitter. And then we have the Color Spell. These are the foam and silicone beauty blenders. The microfiber towels. There's Mickey Mouse with Minnie Mouse and like Daisy Duck. They also had the Disney Princess and the pastel Spider-Man. These are makeup remover cloths. There's a Brazilian caramel scented limited edition hand sanitizer. Also the Jasmine Dragon fruit scent. We have the Party Punch. This is the Yardley London bars. They also had Sweet Rose and the Strawberries and Cream. Then I found a bunch of the 100% pure essential oils. There's sweet orange and peppermint oil. This one is the 100% lavender. Also, they have the tea tree oil. And then these are roll-ons. One's called Wellness, and the other one was called Soothe. And then for the home decor this week, they had more of these crosses. We saw these about 2 weeks ago. I found them at like 3 more stores this week. There are 3 different ones to choose from. There's also these metal hanging signs. They have these by the Birch and Vine brand. The crosses, these are so pretty. They already have the hanger attached to the back. And look how beautiful these flowers are. They have the soft pastels with a little hint of gold around the outside edge of the flowers. These also have the hanger already attached. And these are plastic, but they're super pretty. They're like a blush color. Real pretty. Then for the office supplies, library, and teaching tree section, we have the sticker poster letters. They're getting more versions of these in lately, so make sure you check those out. Also, they have a bunch of different journals. This one says Make Today Great. They have the green one here. This one says Take the Risk. And then the last one I found says Notes, Plans, and Ideas. Those all have those real pretty metallic covers. Then we have the hardbound notebooks with the flowers and the lightning bolts. Also, they had a bunch of these test prep books in ages all the way up to about 3rd grade. They had them for math, language arts. It had kindergarten through 3rd grade. I also found a bunch of these button envelopes. You get 2 of them in each pack, the large and the small. And then we have a whole bunch of these Winnie the Pooh card games, just like number matching, color, shapes, and phonics. For housewares, maintenance, and storage, they have more of these pastel colored bins. You can get them in pink, green, purple, and blue. And they come in lots of different varieties. You can see this is the light blue one here with that faux wicker basket look. They also have the light purple, the very light green. They also come in pink. Now, some of these, the pink ones are already gone just because that seems to be the most popular color at the moment. You can get the ones with the flower cutouts on the sides. They have the book bins and the regular baskets in all 4 colors. I'll try to take pictures of all the ones that I can find here for you. So they had the green, the purple, and the blue. And then the one store I did find pink. The locker style bins and the large round baskets, they have those as well. And then this week I was able to find more of the baskets. They had the laundry baskets and the shoe bins. And then more of the floral cutout baskets. So if you haven't seen them yet, they're putting them out. Like this store that I'm at right now, taking pictures, they were pretty much gone. They put out a whole new bundle. We've got the Glade plugins, some of the fabric softener dryer sheets. You get 40 of those in the Brazilian Soul. They also had those in the fragrance booster and wash scent. Also, we've got the stain remover scrubber. This is new with that little scrubber at the top. And then for the kitchen and pantry, they had a bunch of these twinkle glitter icing writers. You can get them in either the red or the green. And then we had a bunch of these beef tallow. It's like a oil. They had a whole bunch of different cereals. There's the organic Cocoa Krispies. They have the Wicked Caramel Apple and Glinda Good Berry. These are the full-size boxes. There's pumpkin spice Cheerios, the Tres Leches Cinnamon Toast Crunch. There's also Count Chocula. They had Boo Berry. And then this is the Frankenberry, and there were the lemon Cheerios. They also had in these old El Paso breakfast taco kits. It says just add eggs, it makes 6 tacos. Lots of these ceramic style magnets. This one says rescued is my favorite breed. And then this one here says love, laughter, and paw prints. Drink coffee, pet cats, be awesome. Less people, more dogs. This one says you can never have too many cats. And then dog mom. We also have a bunch of the kitchen conversions. They have the black, the white. They go all the way from like teaspoons to quarts. They have the black with like the little chickens at the top. Then you can get the round ones here. And just 2 more. They have one that looks sort of like a mason jar. And then we've got this rectangular one here. Also, more of the bluey cups. If you guys didn't see these on Tuesday, I am finding these at about 4 stores in the area now. I did check the price. They are ringing up at $1.50, which is a great price. So here's a view from the side. You can see he's got this cute little like leaf on his nose. It's so cute. And here's a view from the front. These are full-size coffee mugs. There are 2 available. And now for the party supplies. So this week we've got a bunch of these wine bags. So this one says yay. There's hip hip hooray. That's the light blue with the pastel colors. They have the checkerboard pattern. This one has a little bit of glitter on it. Also, they have the polka dots. Those also have some glitter. They have bottoms up, cheers, and then the blue background with the spots on it. For the pet care, there really wasn't a whole lot new. They did have these 2-pack of pet balls. They're kind of like a tennis ball, but they don't bounce real well. But we've got the 2-pack of the Darth Vader. There's the Ninja Turtles, which is super cute. There's also SpongeBob. The balls are pink and yellow. And the last one they had was the Mandalorian, and that has Grogu on both of the tennis balls. Now for the seasonal items, which is more like spring Easter style items at the moment, they have these color your own decor. You get the markers and between 1 and 2 wood pieces depending on the size. Some real cute ones out this year. Also, they've got these chair covers, which are really cute. They're the large bunnies. You get the boy or the girl. One has a flower over by the ear, and the other one is wearing basically like a hat, which is super cute, and a bow tie. We have some more felt posable critters. You've got the bunny with the carrot and the little Easter peep. Also, we've got some Easter decor kits that you can DIY. It has all the pieces to create the bunny and the little chicken, the egg. You will need glue for most of those. Some of them have the peel back stickers and they'll stick together. It just depends on the piece. Also, they had these foam kits that you can make these little bunny characters. And then we've got the Easter egg garland. These are like a squishy style pen. They have the squishies at the top, the large sensory style toys. There's a carrot, a bunny, and a chick. These are the nice, really large ones. I was surprised they were just $1.50. I also showed these on Tuesday. They have these large Easter baskets. It look like the bags that you could put the charms on. They actually come with charms. There's 4 in the pack included. There's a bunny, a carrot, a peep, and I believe it says Happy Easter in the charm pack. I try to take pictures of all the charms you could get with the bags. And then for the toys and games, we have the hula hoops. Those are in like 3 different sizes. They also have these large water style squishy toys. And then the crayon neon dough. They come in a 2-pack for $1.75. You can either get the green and purple. They have the neon yellow and blue pack. And then there's also the pink and the orange. I found these ugly, cute stretch and fling squishies. They're like little characters. They look like axolotls. They come in a 2-pack. They have like the pink and the blue. They had other colors as well. And then for the plus items, which is anything that's $3 or more, we've got these large kitchen mats in the 2-tone color. There's the black with the white or the sage green and white. They are 18 by 30 inches. They also had these large seagrass and cotton rope baskets. And they have some that were just the rope with the handles on either side. Those are in gray or white. We have these large baskets in green, blue, and gray. They also have the bins that have the tops. So you can cover them up, but it still has the handles on the sides. Then we have these Barbie sticky style. It says 100 plus pieces, so it's $7. And the Barbie itself is reusable. She's posable. You can move her arms and legs, and then there are these pieces that you can use to dress her in all different ways. We've got the one with the long blonde hair. They have one with brown hair, and then they have one with a little bit darker skin and the brown hair, so they tried to be more inclusive. Then we've got the 4-foot inflatable peeps. Those are $5 still this year. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed today's walkthrough. I'd appreciate if you leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite find today. Also, you can follow us not just on YouTube at Rebecca Stew in the Crew, but you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Our channel is called the same on across all platforms. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you'll come back next week. Until then, take care, and I'll see you next time.